is now a great time for an environmental science degree, and it's there's just the pickings are very good right now. There's a lot of things going on with Earth and with basically the knowledge of the Earth and some of the things that are going on with the dynamics, whether it's climate change or just anything in general in protecting the planet or just dealing with the planet.
I think a great reason to major in environmental science or environmental studies is not just because there are so many jobs available, but because there is such a need for people to work in that area, to address all the important issues related to air quality, water quality, soil quality. Issues related to climate change are very, very important now in Nebraska and around the world.
Right now there are so many good things going on with that. There's a lot of efforts or a lot of energies towards sustainability. With that, there's a lot of new jobs out there, either in the environmental field or in the business area. There's even just the regular things like, what are we doing with water, or what are we doing with natural resources? As we go into the future, water is going to become the new gold or the new oil in a sense, because everything basically revolves around that, and without water, we're kind of stuck. And so there's a lot of neat opportunities in water quality in addition to water quantity, and so those things can be very good. And then you get into the natural resources. What are we doing with our topsoils and just the resources that we have? What Doane does so well is that they're able to integrate traditional classroom activities and learning with a lot of hands-on or practical-based, science-based curriculum within the liberal arts setup that we have here at Doane.
And we have an environmental science major, we have an environmental studies minor, and then we now have a new environmental studies major. The environmental science major is for students who like to work very, very much hands-on with science, like to work in the laboratory, like to get out into the field, like to deal with water quality, air quality, soil quality, things like that. The environmental studies major is more for students that might be interested in policy, working in environmental education, working for state government in policy issues, things like that.
These days, there's just the world is the student's oyster, and there's just a whole bunch of things out there that they can actually deal with.